Good morning, good afternoon or good evening wherever you might be watching. Jeff Hudson here from United Computer Consultants. I'd like to talk about an Excel feature called Solver. Solver, which we'll see up here in the ribbon, has been added to the ribbon because Solver is an Excel add-in. So if you wish to use Solver, you need to use the add-in by going to File, Options, and then going down to Add-ins. Now, how does it work? Well, here I can see that I have an amount of loan, 25,000 for a car I might want to borrow. I can borrow at 4% per annum, which is 0.33% per month, over 60 months, and that will give me a monthly repayment here. If I look up at the formula in here, the payment formula, PMT, unfortunate abbreviation that, but that's the formula to show me that particular monthly repayment. But what I want to do, I want to say to Excel, if I borrow $45,000 and repay over 48 months, what will that change to? So I have two objective cells. One is the amount of the loan, the other is the total number of repayments. I want to reduce that down to 48. So they're the two variable cells, and remember that's the objective cell. Now when I run Solver, that cell will change. So let's see how it works. So in Solver, I'm saying to Solver that the objective cell is E5. I simply clicked in that area and then clicked on that cell, and then the two variable cells that I mentioned, I've added those, and I've also here in the variable cells, and I've also added them as constraints by clicking the add button and clicked on the cell. And the way that worked, I'll just delete those and show you how that works. So I want to add two constraints, and I want to say that the constraint for that cell, E5, I want that to be equal to $45,000, because that's the value of the car. And I want to add one more, which is the number of repayments, which I want to make equal to 48. And when I make that 48 and click OK and then run Solver, by solving, it's found a solution, and there it is. My $45,000 loan for 48 months will give me a monthly repayment of 1016.06. And then I have the option, folks, of either keeping the solution or restoring the original values. So that's entirely up to you, of course. I'll keep the Solver solution for the sake of exercise. So when I click OK, it's retained those values in the spreadsheet. So you'll see here that the formula is still the same. It's just that the arguments in the formula, the amount of the loan, etc., have been taken care of in the formula once I ran Solver and accepted the solution. So it's not difficult, a little bit of practice involved. There's quite a bit of online help in the Microsoft website for Solver, should you wish to search further. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. We love likes and comments, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time.